Introduce highlight features or overview summary for OiDiPi wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. Highlight features or overview summary are include: wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver, effortless 1080p streaming anywhere. Cut the cords and experience seamless, high-definition video transmission with this wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver set. Featuring dual-band 2.4/5 GHz technology, it ensures stable, interference-free streaming with a range of up to 98 feet, or 30 meters, in open spaces and 82 feet, or 25 meters, through walls and floors. Enjoy smooth Full HD 1080p at 60 Hz video and audio transmission in screen mirroring or extended display modes, making it perfect for home theaters, gaming, business meetings, and corporate presentations. The device offers wide compatibility with most HDMI output devices, including laptops, PS4, PS5, PCs, tablets, cameras, and more. It also comes with micro HDMI and mini HDMI adapters for added flexibility. Compatible with popular streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Hulu, and more. The best part? It's truly plug and play, no Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or apps needed. It auto pairs out of the box for hassle-free, wireless HDMI streaming. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.